Children of God, in 1981, the world watched in shock as Pope John Paul II was shot in St. Peter's Square. The gunman was a Turkish man named Mehmet Ali Agca. The attack left the Pope seriously wounded and fighting for his life. Many expected anger, condemnation, or at least distance. Yet, 2 years later, something extraordinary happened. Pope John Paul II visited Agca in prison. Photos captured the two men sitting close to each other, speaking quietly. The Pope leaned toward the man who had tried to kill him. He offered forgiveness face to face. And these images traveled across the globe and stunned believers and non-believers alike.